Assalamu alaikum. I am Ishrat Jahan. Today I will talk about research community. So let's start. So research community refers to a group of people who share, collaborate, and work for advancement in a particular field of study. They share their key responsibilities and achievements, collaborate with different projects, and they work for advancement in uh, different knowledge in their particular field of study. The key aspects of a research community is community lies on exchanging knowledge, um, innovation and advancement, mentorship and support, collaboration and networking. So, the researchers or professionals who exist in a research community, they often change their knowledge about any project or any particular field with each other, and this leads them to innovation and advancement in that field. They mentor younger researcher or academics who uh, go through uh, hardships or who have lack of knowledge, and they support them properly. They collaborate with each other in different projects and keep a good networking with each other to support and acknowledge each other's contribution. Here are some types of research communities. There are three main types: academic, online, and open source, and non-profit and governmental. So by academic community, we mainly refer to professors or PhD students or even postdocs students. By online and open source community, we refer to some online sources or websites where researchers from different community gather and exchange knowledge and discuss various things about their researches. To mention some platform, we can name ResearchGate, Google Scholar, and ORCID. They are very popular right now. And there are policy-driven research initiatives conducted by non-profit and governmental research communities. There are some essential features of a research community. These are freedom, independence, and safety. So by freedom, we mean deliberately picking topics, methodologies for the research, results, interpretation without external pressure or restrictions. This allows intellectual flourishment, accepts variety, and ignites epoch-making discoveries. And by independence, we mean conducting studies without facing undue forces or demands from funding authorities or political parties or even corporate interests. These guarantees unbiased and credible research outcomes, um, establishes a healthy research culture or environment, and overall strengthens public trust in researches. The last essential aspect is safety. This is a very important aspect. This refers to the protection of researchers both physically and mentally, of its participants and or volunteers, and the research process, like the methodology or the interpretation of the results, etc. All of these should be unharmed and should not face any barriers or any threats or harm from any party or organization or any individual. There are several types of safety measures, like physical physical safety. For example, we can say journalists in a war zone or scientists handling hazardous materials. They should have proper safety, physical safety. Uh, Ethical safety. By ethical safety, we can refer to informed consent of the volunteers or the participants, and permission from the correspondent authorities. There is also digital safety. This is very important. This means preventing data breaches or leaks or cyber attacks while handling sensitive data. This also involves protecting researchers from online harassments and threats or any kind of bullying. Legal safety refers to avoiding legal corollaries for publishing provocative findings, like any research which involves human subjects. Now we will talk about academic assessment and co-authorship norms. First, we will talk about how to determine authorship or in what basis authorship is determined. This authorship is determined based on several factors like substantial contribution, manuscript drafting and revising, approval of final version, accountability for the work. The person who has the most contribution in all of these or several of these criteria is considered to be the first author. Then we will talk about the author order, that is first author, second author, or last author, etc. In natural science and medicine, first author does the most works, that is, the person contributes most to the research paper or journal article regarded as the first author. And the last author mainly supervise the whole paper or the whole project. In social science and psychology, the first author is the main contributor, and the last author may not hold special significance. In humanities, single authored papers are most common, though there are some multiple authored papers, but they are quite rare. Now we'll talk about ethical considerations. Like there are ghost authorship, gift authorship, guest authorship, and authorship disputes. By ghost authorship, we mean that the contributor who contributed significantly to the project does not get the credit. So here it's a severe ethical issue. Gift or honorary authorship means including someone who did not contribute at all, like any relative or any friend of yours who did not do anything for the research, but you are adding him or her to the author list just because you have a good relationship with him or her. Or even this could be your funder for the project. By guest authorship, we mean guest authorship means similar as the gift authorship. Here, just we add a well-known researcher to boost credibility, even without any involvement. Now we will talk about publication and citation ethics. For publication ethics, we should follow honesty and transparency, originality, proper authorship and acknowledgement, data integrity, and following COPE. This is a set of guidelines set by an American research agency. By citation ethics, we mean relevant and credible sources, avoiding excessive self-citation, avoiding cite unread papers, avoiding citing specific journals, um, article to get accepted, and proper credit to the original ideas. So this was my presentation. Thank you.